My name is SaraBeth Post, and everyone calls me SB. I grew up in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and that's where I first began to learn about craft and glassmaking at my community college. I moved to Louisville, Kentucky to earn my BFA, focusing in glass under Shea Rhodes at the University of Louisville. I first came to Penland as a work-study in 2015. I returned as a work-study again, a scholarship recipient, and studio assistant several times. I moved to the area in 2017 to assist former resident artist Dean Allison. I ended up working throughout the community and taught after-school art programs through the Rural Education Partners of Mitchell County. I have found that making allows me to dive deep in discovering who I am and what I believe in. Transforming materials with my hands gives me a chance to share secrets and to express spiritual connections that I attach to objects. The process is like making up my own language that I hope resonates with others. When I'm really into a project, it becomes a meditative practice for me. Repetition of a form builds skill, but it's also a way to gain a whole set of characters and formulate a pattern. Most recently, I've been flame working components for jewelry and wearables. I was motivated to make clear glass stand out on its own, and the process has really evolved in conjunction with other practices in my life. There are two structures that I'm working on that reference meridians in the etheric body or the auric field. Glass has been the perfect medium to help me illustrate this idea. I've made over 100 clear discs in a few weeks to get the exact ones I need for the structures. I've also been making these chunky rings, which are super colorful and playful. They've been a good way to expand the color palette that I've been working with. Penland is an example to me about how people see and make their way in the world creatively. Having the chance to be surrounded by incredibly supportive people with a common goal to enhance our lives through the richness of art making is priceless. Every teacher and every student join together in the studios to discover something new about themselves and the world.